Hi, my name's Summer and I'm the recruitment admin with Starting Point Recruitment, and I'm here today to tell you how you can register with us online or in person. So if you'd like to register with us, you can call us via our landline and book an appointment to come into our office and sit down with us as we go through the paperwork with you, or we can send it you via email where you can complete the registration pack at home on your computer or on your mobile. By registering with us, we can look out for jobs for you and submit you straight to the client for the role as long as we get your consent to do so. To complete the registration pack, not only will you have to fill out some paperwork, but you will have to provide us with 3 different types of compliance. We will have to have a right to work document, whether that be a UK passport, a birth certificate, or a share code if necessary, which is generated using your biometric residence permit. As well as this, we will need a proof of national insurance, which is proven with either a HMRC letter, a pay slip, or a P45. And lastly, we will just need a proof of address, which can be a utility bill or a bank statement dated within the last 3 months, or a council tax bill, which is dated within the last 12 months. It is really important that you provide us with your 2 most recent employers' contact details. This is so we can request references for you, and when we've got your references, that means your registration pack is fully complete and we can submit you to roles without any complications. This will mean we get roles for you quicker and more efficient and get you back into work as soon as possible. If you have a valid UK driver's licence, please do bring that with you or provide us with a copy of the front and back of that as well, as we will then be able to submit you for roles that require you to drive to certain locations or travel a bit further if necessary. If you're completing the registration pack remotely at home, it is very important that you complete every single section on the pack, otherwise we will have to come back to you and get you to refill out certain pages. To find out more on how to register with us or what vacancies we have available at the moment, email us directly at inquiries@startingpointrecruitment.co.uk.